Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 BMW X1 20d. Now of course you get full LED headlights, daytime running lights. As you can see, you get the halos, you then get front parking sensors, you get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of these 18-inch alloys. Then coming around to the rear, we've also got rear parking sensors as well. With this being an X1, you do get the electric tailgate, as you can see here. Coming into the tailgate itself now, you can see we have plenty of room in here, including a three-way splitting rear bench which will fold flat with the boot floor. Then to lower the tailgate, simply tap the button at the top and it will drop down. Then showing you the rear alloy just here. We have part leather, part cloth interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round. Into the front we have your 8-speed ZF automatic gearbox. We've then got dual climate control as well, which you can see here. Then we've got your media controls, and then we also have your iDrive settings, just your iDrive screen in the middle. This does come with DAB, FM, AM, Bluetooth, USB. You also get satellite navigation and Bluetooth hands-free. Then over to the steering wheel, you get your cruise control and speed limiter on the left. Over to the right, you've got your audio and media, Bluetooth hands-free. As you can see, this car has done 36,241 miles. But coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this BMW X1, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.